All right, boys, 30 July 12/16, about 96 in the shade, and that's where I'm at. Deus 2 version 3.10. Now, this is a non-beta version. Can be run with both the HF2 coil and the fast multi-frequency coils, and I will be showing both in this video in case some people are wondering. Coin ID. We'll be showing a United States silver dollar, the real McCoy 1889, a real silver $1/2, a real silver Standing Liberty quarter, a silver mercury dime, a U.S. nickel, a final generation Indian head penny, and a wheat head penny copper. Okay, I'm going to show all three frequency bands using multi-frequency, using the general program. Frequency shift 3, multi-frequency. Keep in mind, some lower frequency shift channel could yield a slightly lower ID, and a higher frequency channel could yield a somewhat higher ID. It's possible. All right. Reactivity 2, I'm going to sweep the coins from about 2 inches above. We'll start with the biggest one first. Let me turn the camera off briefly and enlarge this ID. All right, camera back on. 29 kilohertz band, all at reactivity 2. We'll start first with the silver dollar. You see the ID, 96, the $1/2. 97, the Standing Liberty quarter. Looks like 97, the mercury silver dime. 93, 94. The wheat head penny copper. Looks like 86, the final generation Indian head. 85, the nickel. The nickel ID with this HF2 coil is not too far off of what it will be with that coil. The 53 kilohertz band, the silver dollar. 96, the $1/2. 97, the Standing Liberty quarter. 99, the mercury silver dime. 96, 97, the wheat head penny. 87, final generation Indian head. Looks like 86 in the nickel. 64, 89 kilohertz band, the silver dollar. 95, the $1/2. 95, the Standing Liberty quarter. 97, the mercury silver dime. 97, the wheat head copper penny. Looks like 89, final generation Indian head. 88, the U.S. nickel. 65. Now those are all swept from about 2 inches above, okay? Just to show, now I'm going to turn the camera off, power the 9-inch fast multi-frequency coil. We'll do a similar test. Of course, the frequency used will be different. All right, 9-inch fast multi-frequency coil, same version, 3.10 general program, large ID, reactivity 2. We'll look at all three of the frequency bands using multi-frequency, frequency shift 3 used in all. We'll start at 14 kilohertz first. The silver dollar. 98, the quarter, or I'm sorry, the $1/2. 96, the silver quarter. 94, the mercury silver dime. 92, the copper wheat head. Looks like 86, final generation Indian head. 85 in the nickel. 58. 24 kilohertz. Band multi-frequency. Silver dollar. 97 looks like the half a dollar. 97 Standing Liberty quarter. Looks like 96 Mercury silver dime. Looks like 91 the copper wheat head. It's reading 84 final generation Indian head. 83 the nickel. 62 I'm going to move this copper wheat head and sweep it over here. 84 okay. 40 max band the silver dollar. 94 the half a dollar silver. 95 the Standing Liberty quarter. 95 the Mercury silver dime. Looks like 91 the copper wheat head. 84 final generation Indian head. Looks like 83 the nickel. 62 that's going to conclude the video. Version 3.10.